Hi everybody, I'm Molly. Today we are basically going to be unboxing this all-generation locker set. My dolls, Clara and her friends, they are going to unpack the backpacks, look at these lockers, get what they're all going to need for the school year, and it's just going to be a fun time. It's going to be really fun.
This is the Our Generation School Spirit Locker set, and it's perfect because Molly has 3 Our Generation dolls, and there are 3 little locker sections for the dolls, so they can each have their own locker. They'll have to decide who gets what color, and we're going to open it up and see everything that it comes with, which it comes with a whole lot of stuff.
Yeah.
All right, do you think we're going to need scissors for this?
Definitely. Well, there's so much tape.
Maybe we can just like cut this and cut this.
Okay, I want to do it because this is my video on my channel. Yay.
Okay.
Flip it over. It has spider leg. Spider leg goodie for
Is
a
it
wall.
hooked up here too? It's hooked up here too.
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot of tape. Ooh, okay. So we have this part off. We'll turn it upside down so we can get all the stuff out. And then we have the locker, which comes with this little basket up here that we can put some things in there, little things. And then each of these 3 lockers. Who do you think is going to get which locker?
I think I already know.
You already know. Do you want me to take the cardboard out of these? I don't know whether there's cardboard in it.
Yeah, I think it's just for the shape.
All right, lockers are empty and ready for some students. What is this? Keep playtime going in the OG world with free activities. Maybe we'll have to scan that QR code later and see what it does. Here, let me set this down for a minute so that you have more
Oh my
room.
gosh! It's coming out! I'm weird. I say scissors instead of scissors. It's really weird. My mom's helping me.
Okay, I need to take this for a second.
You're gonna find a surprise, Mom.
I believe you. Did anyone notice Molly's purple hair?
Yeah, did anybody notice that I have purple and blue right here?
That actually came with Clara's outfit, right?
Yeah, it did.
Clara's wearing a new outfit.
Oh yay, my mommy did it.
I'm gonna take this. I hope I got them all. It feels like it's still stuck somewhere.
Oh.
See one more?
This one.
Ah! Okay. All right, now I think we got them all.
We got it off! We have a pink locker, I'm guessing for the pink one. But first, let's get this basket so we can put some stuff in here.
Yeah, maybe you should fill the basket with all the little things.
Yeah, so we have these locks. I'm assuming we can switch them up.
Yeah, or you
But-
could make the lock match the locker. It looks like there's one for each color.
Yeah, so this would be there. I don't know if you can see the yellow, but yellow would be here.
We can't. Do you want to set this up? Okay.
So peach would be here. Yellow would be right here. And magenta would be right here.
Yeah, I think we should go with a lock that matches the color.
And there's even a little hook here.
Yeah, there is a little hook. That's pretty cool.
So now I'm going to show everything it comes with. It comes with some really cool pink clear stencils.
Those aren't really stencils. That's for math class.
Oh.
They're like, they have rulers and stuff on them.
So these are like different shaped rulers. You saw the locks already, but
I don't think I'd put those in the basket because they're going to need to put those on their locker.
Yeah, I'm not going to put them there. I don't know what these are though.
Well, let's see. What are they? Oh,
So
one of
these
them
are
has stickers.
stickers.
They can
so
decorate
you can
their lockers.
decorate.
Oh, that'll be fun.
I'm going to see what these are real quick. Oh my gosh, these are notebooks.
They're little notebooks. Only 2 little notebooks?
Only 2.
But 3 lockers. So I guess one person forgot to bring their notebook to class.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's that the school only has so many of these that they ran out with the other classes.
I bet you have more notebooks that you can let your dolls borrow.
I
though.
do. Just the school that they go to, there's a lot of classes. There's 100 classes in one school.
Okay.
So they only have so many of these that they can't really. But it's my school, so I make up everything.
Okay.
Because you're watching Molly's Dollies.
All right. What next?
These, I don't know if you saw the stickers.
Not close up. These are really cool stickers. That's a good idea for them to get to decorate their lockers.
Oh, I found something. Clip, paper clip.
Oh, yeah. Cool. I like the color. Maybe that can go in the basket.
Yeah, this can go in the basket.
And what else? A bunch
Now-
of pens.
We have a pencil case.
Yeah.
I like this clear pink color.
I want to say you have another case like that came with a travel set.
I know I do.
But in that case, it was supposed to be a toiletry case, and we thought it was a pencil case. I think they look the same except different colors.
Yeah, they do.
All right, do you want to fill
All
the
the
pencil case
pencils.
with all the pencils?
Well, they aren't really pencils.
Pens and pencils?
Let's see what this is. I think it's a highlighter. I'm
Is
gonna
it
see
open?
what this is. It's
It is a highlighter. I like it.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe my eyes. It looks so real.
It does. Is it real? Did it come off on your finger?
I don't know.
Try it on the notebook.
I'm gonna try it in the notebook.
I doubt that it's real. I don't think our generation pens and pencils really work.
When it's the pencils, it was working. No.
I don't see any yellow. No. Well, it's super cute.
And again, they only do one highlighter per class.
Okay.
Because I'm a substitute and a teacher. Haha. I'm kidding, not a substitute. The principal.
This is adorable because it has like little bear ears, but it does not seem to want to stay closed. I thought maybe it was facing the wrong direction, but you kind of just have to push it really hard and hope it stays. I think it's on there. I would not keep taking it off. Just like leave it on for right now.
We have a mini bear highlighter.
Yep.
We have a cute pink and blue eraser. A hidden OG for our generation. Right there on the side.
Oh, I see it. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like right there. It says OG for our generation. So cute. It looks real, but again, it's not real. Let's put that in the
We
basket.
have a light pink and blue pen.
Ooh, pretty.
But let's see if they work. I hope they do. They look so cool. Oh my gosh.
No.
Again,
I'm sure the blue one doesn't work either. That is a pretty pink pen, though. I would love to have a pen that color.
same. Okay.
You know what? Maybe the lockers are like where they put their backpacks or their lunch. And then since this was up here, maybe like the pens and notebooks and stuff are like shared school supplies. Like for all of them to use.
I'll show you something. And there's only one pencil. It's sad. Because now I only have 2 pencils and 3 students.
You only have 2 pencils? You have so many doll supplies. I'm surprised you don't have more than that. Okay. Well, at least now you have a place to put all of that stuff.
We have a cute pencil.
Yeah.
So cute.
You'll have to fill their backpacks.
I know. And 2 pens
2 pens.
that I'm wondering if work.
Maybe those are markers. They look kind of like markers.
Markers.
I doubt that they work though.
They work.
I do see some color. Yeah, that actually
The crayons.
It actually seems like that works. I see a little bit of color right there. Not very well, but maybe a little bit. Probably be better just to use a normal crayon.
A crayon. And a pink crayon. Let's see how this crayon works. So pretty.
It kind of does a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, it's almost like a little colored pencil. All right, I think that's everything. Do you want to let the dolls pick their lockers, or are you going to decide for them?
I think they should have assigned lockers.
Okay, so you'll tell them which locker they get.
Yeah.
Okay, so where should we set the locker?
So, Clara, I know it's your birthday, but still, we're gonna do a video later. So, later today, we're gonna do a video where Clara is gonna have a lot of fun and have a birthday party. Okay, I'm gonna tell you which lockers yours goes. But when you come over, I'm gonna want you to bring your bag too. First up is Twinkle. Yay, I'm so excited. Which locker is mine? Your locker is going to be the yellow locker. She's gonna have the yellow locker. So I didn't think you noticed that they had backpacks.
Yeah, I like her backpack. I thought maybe you were going to give her the magenta locker because it matches her backpack.
No.
No.
But I know the perfect person for that one. You're gonna sit down, okay? I'm gonna unpack everything for you.
You could probably just put her backpack in the locker. You probably don't have to unpack everything.
Kinda do. So, something is that these
Oh, does it
cans
actually
spin.
turn?
They spin. But I think I'm gonna choose what color lock they're gonna have. So her lock is going to be the magenta one.
Okay, you're not going to have the locks match the locker?
No,
Okay.
but I am gonna let them choose a few stickers,
That sounds good.
but not too many stickers.
All right, what does she have in her backpack? Are you going to open it or are you just going to put the backpack inside? First, let's just see if the backpack fits. Is that a good size?
It's a good.
Oh, perfect.
It's a little bit snug, but it's okay.
Let me see
Besides-
it in there. That fits perfectly.
It's a little bit snug, but okay. Let's unpack and see what she brought. Okay, a journal.
So she has her own notebook, so that's good.
So 2 of the students brought their own journals, but I'm gonna say we're gonna have to share these. Measuring tape. Okay. Money. Only pencil I have. Pop it in there. A stapler. A little yogurt.
Oh, she brought a snack.
And a crayon.
Oh, okay. Seems pretty prepared.
And also, I let them bring a little bit of a toy.
What'd she bring?
Mini Barbie land toys.
Oh my goodness, and not 1 but 2. So she could play with a friend.
Each of them brought 2.
They each brought 2 mini Barbie land toys?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I guess they all decided today was going to be Barbie play date. All right, does everything go in her locker?
Yep. But I have an idea. What if we put the backpacks over here? If they have them.
Yeah, that one doesn't have a hook.
Yeah, so we are not going to put the backpacks in the lockers because I think they'd be a little snug and they get all squished up.
Okay, you could probably just set it here.
So we are gonna put some up here.
Okay. Maybe we could
Oh, I have an idea.
set this here.
No, I have an idea. So this is gonna be emptied. So this is gonna go on top if there's still room. But they are gonna have their own backpack slots.
Okay.
This is her slot.
And then she puts all of her things out of her backpack in the locker?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And I'm gonna choose what she has.
It does match the yellow locker.
It does match the yellow locker.
Maybe she should get the yellow things, like the pencil and the highlighter. And the yellow notebook. Maybe she should get all the yellow things since she has the yellow locker.
I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna show the stuff that I'm gonna put in the basket and in everybody's locker. So they're gonna have to share the highlighter. So I'm gonna put it in the basket. Blah.
The basket is a share basket?
Yeah. They're all gonna need a stapler and this.
The measuring tape?
Yep.
Those all go in the shared bag?
Yes.
That lid does not want to stay on.
I know. We'll just plop it in. Gonna share. This is almost empty. I mean, it's almost full. 2 pencils. So now let's get to hers. She is gonna have this yellow notebook, a yellow pencil, eraser. They're all gonna share this, so share. And her little food. And her toys. To share. Crayons. Share. One last thing for the share. And I think that's it.
All right, you can put the lock on the locker, and then the next student can come to class.
That. Twist it. Next up is Clara. Come over here, birthday girl Clara. Come here.
She looks like she's dressed for a birthday party.
She even has her birthday shoes.
Yeah, I like them. Very pretty.
And a new outfit.
Wow, she must like unicorns.
She does.
Is she going to have a unicorn party later?
It's going to be a dress-up party. A dress-up party.
Oh, she's going to have a dress-up party. All right, let's see what's in Clara's bag.
I don't know. We're going to see. It's always a surprise. But first, her locker is going to be the peach
Ooh, she
one.
gets the top one. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
She brought a fairy wand to school? I guess she is playing dress-up today.
I mean, I let her. She always asks me what to bring.
Notebook, okay.
What? Money.
Money.
Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. A yogurt.
Okay. Crayon.
And a yellow crayon.
All right. And Barbie Miniland.
Valentina and Barbie Mini Bus. And the purple one.
Nice.
I think this is my favorite doll. She has grapes on her dress, some polka dots, purple roller skate shoes, and purple and blue hair.
Wow. Can I see her? That is a cute little Barbie Miniland doll. Okay. So I don't know that Clara brought a whole lot of things for sharing. I think she needs to just put her stuff away. Or you need to put it away for her. Ooh, her backpack could be hung up.
Uh-huh. That's why she has this one.
She gets the middle slot.
Middle slot.
If it'll stay on the hook.
It will, don't worry. Right here.
Okay. All right.
But I think let's keep it like this.
But you're going to set it down. Okay. All right.
Open a lock off. And she is going to have the peach one.
Oh, okay. Hers is going to match.
Because she loves the color peach.
All right.
You can see my finger.
Do you want to put her things away?
Yep. She's going to have blue.
All right.
And a pencil.
Okay.
It doesn't always have to match. A fairy wand.
Yeah.
She loves her fairy wand.
She definitely doesn't want to share that.
No. For money. I think she should have this peach one because she loves peach.
I think
And it matches.
it does match perfectly. And her backpack is peach too. It has peach on it. Peach and purple.
I know. Peach, purple, and
white.
White and magenta.
Yep.
Magenta. Her dolls, Valentina and Poppy. Poppy.
Okay.
Crayon. And this is a go-gurt.
Oh, okay.
Yogurt, go-gurt.
Go-gurt.
Go-gurt. And then, I got it.
All right, good job. Two
There you go.
dolls, two lockers. I guess we know who's next.
Who's last, actually? Last up, Lila. But it's okay. Don't worry.
She looks like she's ready for dance class.
I told them to put on the outfit that they wanted, and she just wanted to wear this.
Okay.
I think this is her favorite outfit.
Yeah.
That she has. Right, Lila? Yeah. I love her bag because it's teal and it's so pretty.
It is really pretty. Let's see what she brought.
Whoa! Card.
Library card. Notebook. So they all brought a notebook.
Crayon.
Crayon. They all brought a crayon.
$2.
Ooh, they all brought two dolls.
And a yogurt.
And a yogurt. They all brought a snack. All right. And her bag is going on top, or you could probably even hang up her bag.
Her bag's gonna go right here.
Okay.
This is good. Good enough. Now the stuff from here she's gonna have. They're always gonna have a lot of papers, but I think this should go to Clara's. I unlocked it. Plop it in. It's locked.
All right. So what's going in Lila's locker? That's fun to say. Lila's locker.
Lila's locker. Ow, ow. So she's gonna have this crayon.
It matches. Perfect.
And I should say this math book is good, but it has to go in the share basket. So we have this notebook that she's gonna have this year. Because there's only so many of the notebooks that are our generation that they ran out with all the classes. So let's get back onto the fun stuff. So we're gonna need to give her this blue pen to use as a pencil.
I think she likes blue based on her bag.
Yeah, she loves blue. Put it there. Oh, actually, I'm gonna do a switch up. Instead of Claire having a pencil, she's gonna have pink pen.
Oh, okay.
And do you think she should have a pencil or a pen?
Whichever one she would like. Do you think, what does she like better, pencils or pens?
Pens.
Okay.
A pen. A crayon. Another crayon.
Her yogurt.
Yogurt.
So they all brought yogurt. Two of them brought them in cups and one brought a go-gurt.
Yeah. 2 mini Barbie Land dolls. Her money.
I think that's a library card.
Money / library card.
Okay.
But for nickname, for Lila, we call her Layla.
Okay.
She likes it.
Yeah.
Literally, she does. I think that's it. Time to put her lock on.
This is really the perfect locker for your dolls.
I know, it is.
It fits all their stuff really well.
Lock it up. Lock. Lock. These they're gonna share. And now, I guess it's just time to decorate. They wanted Clara to do it.
Clara gets to do all the decorating since it's a birthday?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, Clara, you probably know your friends best, so you can pick out what they would like.
Yeah, I know them really well. She's gonna tell me where the sticker should go. The camera should go in the middle. In the middle, okay.
Ooh, so that's going on your locker then. No, she has the top locker.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's right. It's going on Twinkle's locker. Does Twinkle like to take pictures?
Yeah. Because she always takes pictures of the teeth she gets.
Oh, that makes sense. She is the tooth fairy.
The gold one for me. Okay. Clara wanted the gold sticker.
Nice.
Cactus down here. Yeah. Cactus on Layla's locker. Do you want a rainbow one on yours? Yeah. Okay.
These lockers are going to be so cute, all decorated.
And I think Clara wants this one to go on Twinkle's locker because everybody's sleeping when she goes to take stuff.
Okay,
The
what is
teeth.
that one?
And it said nope.
Oh.
And I think nope to her is like no peeking.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
And O-P-E, peeking. So here we go. Put it on. Do you want the blue to go on this bottom locker? Yeah. Okay. Blue on Layla's locker.
What kinds of fruit do we have? Watermelon.
And a strawberry.
Ooh, I see a pineapple too. Does that also go on Layla's locker?
Yep,
It's a funny pineapple wearing sunglasses.
I know. Two more for each.
Super cute. I think that Twinkle likes the stars because it reminds her of nighttime when she is getting teeth.
Also, Twinkle likes to drink some boba. So I put
Okay.
a cup.
So they each get 5 stickers?
Yep.
Perfect. Nice,
Yeah.
I like it. So pretty. Look at those pretty stickers. You did such a great job, Clara.
And look at this empty sticker sheet.
Empty, completely empty.
Yep, empty, empty, empty. I think these 2 books are gonna go in this bin. And some of the other stuff is gonna go in this pencil case. Like the highlighter, pencil, eraser, and these 2 funny shaped rulers. Well, would this fit?
No.
Nah.
Maybe that can go in the pink basket.
Nope.
Very organized.
This will go up here. And where? Whose locker do you want this to be in? Mine.
I was going to say, you could put it under her backpack.
Yeah. Let's put it under your backpack, okay? Okay. Let's put this here.
All right, Clara, what do you think?
I love it. I think it turned out great.
I do too. I think it looks fantastic. All ready for school.
I love school.
Yeah, school is fantastic. School is very helpful. You learn so many things.
Yeah, I can't wait to learn the letters in the alphabet.
Molly's a good teacher. I'm sure she'll teach you. All right, happy birthday, Clara.
Thank you. There's gonna be a play date party after lunch.
Okay,
And I'm gonna be wearing the same outfit.
sounds good.
Yeah! I need food.
All right, how about we all take a lunch break?
Bye everybody, bye. I hope you liked this video. Watch more on Molly's Dollies. I hope you loved the whole entire video. And please make sure to like and subscribe.